com. Today, we're going on a field trip. Where are we going to go? Somewhere cold and see snow. Snow. Go to MAMAMIMI.com for more resources, more information, and toys that Mama Mimi likey. Mama Mimi likey. Mimi likey.